Hi everyone, Cliff from Advanced Diagnostics. Today we're going to cover a topic that I think will be very beneficial for you. And what I'm referring to is on the Chrysler vehicles. Any of your Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep vehicles, mid-2000s, had an issue with ignition switch wind module replacement. There were a massive amount of recalls. Over 700,000 vehicles were recalled to have those modules replaced. Now, there were originally like 3 different tiers of security in the wind module itself. So they had what they labeled Fobic Original, then there was Fobic A, and if you look at your screen right here, my example vehicle on this one is Chrysler Town & Country USA 2008 Fobic. And if you come down here to the immobilizer system, this is a Fobic A protocol. But when they replaced the modules, because there was also Fobic B, they would replace it with the highest security. And that's what you need to pay attention to. Now, there is a term that you're going to hear quite often on the Chrysler vehicles, and it's going to be a big clue so that you can troubleshoot and know exactly what you're dealing with, and that is seed key error message. Very, very prevalent on these Chryslers. Let's say on this listing, this is a Fobic A system. So if the vehicle never had the module replaced, it will read the pin and program under the protocol that you see listed here. However, if the module was replaced, what's going to happen is you're going to get a seed key error message. And if you're not familiar, what that implies is wrong protocol. So again, seed key error just means you're on the wrong protocol. Now, maybe you didn't pick correctly on a vehicle, but maybe you did. Some of these, the module was replaced during that huge recall. And that's why you're getting the seed key error message, because you may be picking the exact correct vehicle on your Smart Pro. Or if you pick incorrectly, you can also get a seed key error message. Now, last week I had an interesting call from a gentleman that was on an '08 Dodge Magnum. And on that vehicle, he was getting a no seed found possible immobilizer lockout message. And it turned out that it was the seed key error implication that it was just wrong protocol. I went into Chrysler and I picked a different vehicle that was a Fobic Original, and it programmed right in. So wrong protocol is what seed key error message means. Now, let's segue over to a recent call that one of my colleagues, Thomas Clark, had. And we'll go to that menu. It was a Jeep Renegade 2017 model year. And this was quite interesting to what we're talking about, just on a later model. Similar problem. So Jeep Renegade, so let's scroll down, left-hand side of the screen. 15 to 18 Renegade bladed. This was a prox system, so it was a 15 to 18 prox. So this was the option on the menu that was picked. And surprisingly, now there's no gateway on this model, on a 17. There's no gateway security, meaning that you can go through the OBD2. But this gentleman kept getting a seed key error message, which we knew was wrong protocol, but we couldn't figure out what was going on. So we had this gentleman take a picture of the ID screen. If any time that you're having issues, always take a picture of this identification screen, because that's going to show the VIN number and the part number. John Steiner, who's the head of development, recognized that part number on that 17 Renegade was really from a 21 model year. And that's how we solved this, because Thomas was able to guide him to the Renegade 2021. And that's actually what read the PIN code and program the key. So there's a similar situation now, maybe not as prevalent, because back then there were all these wind modules that were obviously bad. But when people replace the RFH module on these newer Jeeps, that's going to have the highest security. So again, there's a similarity here in the sense that The seed key error message is giving you a clue that you're on the wrong protocol, and that is due to a module replacement, which was the case in this situation. So make note of this. Always pay attention to the clues that you get from these vehicles. Okay, seed key error message means I'm on the wrong protocol. So you double check that you're properly IDing the vehicle, that you're selecting correctly, and if you're still having problems, then you have to look and dig a little deeper. Like in this situation, the RFH module had gone bad, and they do quite often on these late model Chryslers. It had gone bad, it had been replaced, and they put it on a higher security level. So this gentleman was able to go through the OBD2 port, and he selected 2021 Jeep Renegade, which you see on the screen, and he was able to read the pin and program the key. So please make note of this. It's important information. It's good that you understand what some of these error messages will imply, because you will be able to troubleshoot. You'll know exactly what to do to resolve the problem. That's my message today, and this concludes our time together. I thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again. Bye for now.